and the swimming pool is overflowed. The time is 20 to 4 and I'm just starting today's vlog now. So if you saw yesterday's vlog, there was a really bad storm which is carrying on at the moment. We've been out for 2 minutes and already I feel really wet. Everywhere is so flooded. We've been looking on the news all day, seeing how bad all the floods are. But we are on our way to Coles to and we have just seen another kangaroo. Here. I think these kangaroo sightings keep getting better and better every single day. So, like I said, we are on the way to Coles to buy a few bits for tonight. I think for this video, I'm actually going to do a Q&A about moving to Australia. And we are back from our walk. I think there's water on the lens. So as you can see, I'm once again soaked. And the queue for alcohol is so long, we decided not to get any. We got a few more little bits, but that's pretty much it. I actually cannot believe how wet I am. I'm gonna get changed totally once again, but I think tomorrow actually will be a better day for rain. I don't think it could be much worse. Keep seeing in the news how bad this rain is. If you're watching this and you've not seen in the news, then search for Queensland storms or... But I'm actually standing under the span to dry off. It's about 10-15 minutes later and I don't know if you can see, but my t-shirt is still soaked. My hair's so wet. I feel I got wetter from that rainstorm than I did from being in the shower. And outside having breakfast for the first time in so many days. It is Sunday morning and today is the first day of it not raining for so many days. I don't know if you can hear the ground, but there's so many floods everywhere at the moment. So the sun's actually coming out now for the first time in so many days. But we've heard that people are stuck in Brisbane and not able to get up to the Sunshine Coast as all the motorways and all the roads are flooded. So it's actually so warm at the moment. It feels really humid. I think later on we're going to go for a swim. I can't believe all these floods everywhere. Like even walking along that path there was difficult. And the park we are in right now is actually called Windmill Park. So I have just seen the windmill for the first time. It's somewhere over there. It's just through those trees, but I don't think you can get to it right now without getting wet. somewhere over there. And back from shopping now. I don't know if you can see on camera, but I'm really hot. I think this is probably the most humid it's been, and we got a fair bit of shopping, meaning it was quite heavy to walk back with for 25 minutes or so. But right now we're just about to have lunch and pack this shopping away. And we are back out walking again because the rain has stopped for a little bit. I think I've said this so many times, but I think tomorrow will be better for the rain. But right now we are going to go and look at these lakes. So all of the footpaths, like that one there, they're just all really flooded. And it's just starting to rain now, but Brady has brought the umbrella. So right behind me is a bridge that we were planning maybe on walking across, but as you can see it's totally flooded. And all the way back and behind it there's so much water. There's so much water everywhere.